Hello viewers, welcome back YouTube channel. Today we'll see in this video, lovely viewer, you will see in this video stylish landscaping ideas, garden decorations ideas. अब मेरी बात we'll see in this video creative landscaping ideas, pebbles fronts, garden decorations ideas. So guys, I would suggest you just keep on watching this video till the end. जा रही हो गया extra बना ली We will see in this videos modern unique home decorations ideas. These are my favorite collections that I am gonna share. We will see in this videos modern landscaping ideas, pebble stones design home decorations ideas. So this video is very attractive and very stylish, beautiful landscaping ideas. These are my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in this video till the end. I hope you like the old trending and attractive home decorations ideas. So take a screenshot and save your mobile. So guys, many more beautiful ideas we'll explore in this video till the end. We will see top creative and trending unique garden decorations ideas. I will make a similar videos and present it in front of you. You watch new all modern home decorations ideas, landscaping designs, rock stones ideas. So thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel. Subscribe my channel and watch my videos. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in this video till the end. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. So guys, I would suggest you just keep on watching this videos till the end. Top creative and trending, beautiful, modern landscaping ideas, unique home decoration designs. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Watch my full videos and share my videos with your friends, family members, and social media accounts. You will see in this videos different stylish and trending landscaping ideas, garden decoration designs, pebble stones ideas. So before, thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel. Top attractive and trending, beautiful, modern landscaping designs. Viewers, I will meet you in next videos. So take care friends.